Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Gmail account, recovery phone, and backup email are correct. Wrong info blocks the OTP. Next, check your device date/time and install pending OS updates because mismatched clocks break OTP validation. Make sure you're on a reliable network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Finally, temporarily disable SMS blocking apps, carrier spam filters, and do not disturb modes, so messages can arrive without being filtered or delayed. Once done with device basics, enable or verify two-step verification and add trusted devices so Gmail knows where to send OTPs. Inspect Gmail filters, forwarding, and blocked addresses to ensure messages aren't auto-archived or forwarded away. Also check your message app settings for blocked senders. If SMS still fails, contact your carrier to confirm SMS gateway status and that international or service number SMS are allowed, because carriers sometimes block short codes used by Google. Now request a fresh OTP and try alternative delivery. Choose voice call or use pre-generated backup codes. If SMS still doesn't appear, clear the messaging app cache or install an alternative SMS app and try again. Browser incognito can rule out extension conflicts. If problems persist, remove and re-add the phone number in your Google account and test. Make sure to set up Google Authenticator or save backup codes as a permanent fallback. That's the single best fix if SMS delivery remains unreliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.